Good day everyone! XP Pen has sent me their Deco Pro MW Generation 2 drawing tablet to review. Ta-da! It's such a cool opportunity and I cannot wait to share my thoughts to y'all. So without further ado, let's dive right in. At first glance, the package is lightweight and looks really cool, doesn't it? The background design on the box actually reminds me of Japanese origami paper. It's colorful and has this nice ethereal feel to it. Honestly, it feels like I'm holding something luxurious. Definitely a box I'd want to keep as part of my collection. Inside the box, you find a drawing tablet, a pen case with the stylus, 4 standard nib or felt nib, and Bluetooth receiver, a wireless shortcut remote, USB-C and USB-A cables, drawing glove, quick guide, and warranty card. The tablet that I got is the M size, which is the smallest in the series. The drawing area is about the size of an A5 paper, that's roughly half of an A4 printing paper, or similar to a small sketchbook or notebook. It is lightweight and easy to carry around, making it the perfect size for your backpack. The series also offers larger sizes, the large, which has an A4 size drawing area, and the extra large with an A3 size drawing area. If you need something portable that fits in your backpack or luggage without taking up much space or adding too much weight, I'd recommend the M size. But if you prefer a bigger canvas, then the large might be a better fit. In terms of feel, the tablet is light, smooth, and ergonomic. When you slide your arm over it while drawing, it has a satisfying texture, almost like you're working on real paper. The pen case is one of my favorite items in the box, and I think a lot of artists can relate to that. It has a sleek, minimalistic design, and you open it by pressing the bottom. Inside you find the stylus, the 4 standard nibs, the 4 felt nibs for a more pencil and paper feel, and a Bluetooth receiver. The pen feels very light and fits perfectly into the hand. It's smooth with just the right thickness for a comfortable grip. On the side, there are 2 buttons that usually function as the left and right mouse buttons. The top part works as an eraser, just like on most mechanical pencils. The shortcut remote is another great item in the box. Many graphic tablets have their shortcuts built into the side, but I never really liked that. It either made the tablet bigger or reduced the drawing area to save space. So having the shortcut remote as a separate component like this is a big yes for me. This graphic tablet comes with both USB-A and USB-C cables, so you can connect it to your computer, laptop, or even your phone. That means if you don't have a computer, you can still use the tablet instead of drawing with your fingies. These cables are used for both connecting and charging the tablet, as it can also be used wirelessly. Additionally, this set comes with drawing gloves. For those who don't know, the gloves helps prevent smudging the tablet with your oily hands, like maybe after a meal. And it also wipes away dust while you're drawing. But most importantly, wearing it makes you look cooler and more professional. So, thank you XP Pen. The quick guide and warranty cards are pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. For more information about the tablet and where you can get it, I'll leave a link down in the description. The current price for this specific model is approximately 150 euros, and for those in the United States, it's around 140 USD. To begin using the tablet, you need to download the driver, which is available for easy download from their website. In the app, you'll find various settings that you can customize to your liking. Since I work with dual monitors, I adjusted it to function on only one. You can modify pen settings, including sensitivity, and test it out in the lower left corner. For those with a tighter grip, I recommend increasing the sensitivity to help reduce hand strain during prolonged drawing sessions. The shortcut remote keys are also customizable and can be saved as different sets as 1, 2, 3, and 4. By default, the keys come preset. To modify the keys, simply press the desired button and choose an option from the menu. For the shortcut keys, you can either select from the list or type your own custom command. I started testing out the responsiveness of the pen, and I must say it is very impressive. It boasts 16,000 pressure levels, which is double what's available in the market right now. I haven't noticed any delay so far, even while using it wirelessly. So overall, it feels quite smooth during my initial use. While testing out the tablet in this video, I encountered a few rather annoying problems. But don't worry, I also discovered the source of these issues, so be sure to watch until the end to learn how to avoid them. While drawing, I noticed the pen leaving unnecessary marks when hovering over the tablet, especially when I rotated it. Weird. After some research, I discovered that this is a common issue with some XP pen products. I tried adjusting the pen sensitivity based on suggestions from a helpful website, but the pen tested fine in the XP Pen app. The problem was related to my drawing software, Clip Studio Paint, so I calibrated the pen sensitivity there and that resolved the issue. Another problem that I encountered was the erratic cursor behavior when the pen hovered near the tablet's top corner. I tried adjusting the mapping area, but the problem continued. After consulting with my friend ChatGPT, I realized the tablet was too close to my Cintiq. So later in my speed paint, you'll see me move the tablet lower, which fixed the issue. I was using the graphic tablet wirelessly due to multiple cables connected to my laptop already. However, as the tablet's battery began to die, the pen started to jitter, possibly because of other wireless devices. My solution was to connect the tablet with a cable and limit the number of devices I used wirelessly. After about 10 hours of use, the tablet surface still looks brand new. The tablets I've used in the past would have left visible scratches by now, but this one remains smooth and shiny. Let's summarize the pros and cons and see if it's worth it. Keep in mind though that this is just my personal opinion. Let's start with the pros. It has a sleek design, minimalistic and stylish, ergonomic, comfortable for long use, responsive, quick and accurate performance, portable, lightweight and easy to carry, versatile, works with both PC and phone, wireless, eliminates cable clutter, includes accessories, comes with everything you need, durable surface, resists scratches and looks new after hours of use. Now to the cons. While it's reasonably priced, some may still consider it a bit expensive. As with any other online purchase, there's a chance of receiving defective parts. It lacks a display, so you need to develop a hand-eye coordination, only available in one color. Is it worth the price? I would say yes. While it's priced above 100, it is still below 200. I believe it offers excellent value for its portability and responsiveness. I can definitely see both beginner artists and professionals benefiting from it. If you're okay without a display, it's definitely worth considering.